Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
After grand success of Covaxin vaccine, we are able to prevent the death from this COVID pandemic. And after this grand success, we are doing phase 2-3 trials on the pediatric sample size of this Covaxin vaccine. So on 11th of May, subject expert committee, SEC committee of DCGI gave us permission to conduct this phase 2/3 clinical trial on pediatric sample size. So in the second week of June, we'll start this clinical trial on age group of 2 years to 18 years in Goa, Maharashtra, Delhi and Patna. And this will be the great help to our community and our children that they will prevent from this COVID pandemic. So it's very important to do these clinical trials and launch this vaccine to the pediatric samples as soon as possible to prevent them from the third waves also.